Welcome aboard for another video.
Thanks, Conductor Keith. I came down this way hoping to see a Cpkc train, but instead I saw this Loram rail grinder. The last time I saw a Loram rail grinder was in Agassiz, British Columbia in February 2019, which you can see in my Mighty Trains from Agassiz video. Here we are at the grade crossing on the Finch-Roxborough Boundary Road near Avonmore. In the next shot, the driver of this Loram sees me and samples all the sounds this Loram set will make. Now we are on Route 43 between Avonmore and Finch.